It's April 16th, 2011, Phoenix, Arizona. It's just after 6 a.m. Sun just cleared the horizon. It's just such a pretty morning. Hear those birds. Just a little bit chilly, just enough for a sweater. Sky is completely clear, no aerosol yet. My oleanders are starting to bloom. I guess you can see it. It's just a beautiful morning. There's my ocotillo starting to bloom also. There's the airplane. They pass over the house every 5 minutes. Commercial airliner. No contrail. This is just a nothing really video. Just showing you how beautiful it is in the morning. All the birds.